Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, পৃথিবীতে আছে যত নগরাদি গ্রাম সর্বত্র প্রচার হইবে মোর নাম. In every town, city, village of the world, his cult will be preached. What is his cult? Does it mean that the Europeans and Americans will not become Brahmin? Because Vaishnava cult means past Brahminism. Past Brahminism. मांचव्याभिचारिणी भक्ति योगिना च शिवते सगुणान समथितयितन ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्प. He bhakti yoga, one who takes to bhakti yoga, he immediately comes into the transcendental platform, Brahma Bhuta. What to speak of Brahman? These stereotyped, crippled ideas has killed Vedic civilization. Now we are again reviving. It is meant for everyone. Krishna says, Mangi patha vipasritya jepishu papajonaya striya sudra tatha vaishya stivi janti parangati. Krishna says, although ordinarily we take striya means woman, Shudra and Vaishya in the lower class grade. But when one becomes a devotee, his or she is no more in the lower grade. Te pijanti parangati. The devotional service is so nice that anyone, ordinarily, woman is taken less intelligent, Shudra is taken less intelligent, Vaishya is taken less intelligent. But if he takes to Krishna consciousness, he is the most intelligent. Krishna je bhaje sevara chatur. This is the statement in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Anyone who has taken to Krishna consciousness, he is the most intelligent. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Guru Krishna kripaye paye bhakti lata bhi kono bhagwan ji. Ei rupe brahmanda bhramite kono bhagwan ji. The Krishna consciousness movement is not for the wretched, unfortunate class of men. No. It is meant for the most fortunate man. Anyone who has taken to Krishna consciousness, he is to be considered as the most fortunate man because he has got the line of action, how his life will be perfect. Therefore, anyone who is in Krishna consciousness and discharging the duties nicely, he is the most fortunate man, most perfect man. That is Kunti Devi is humbly submitting. Although his womanly body, she is a devotee, she is not like ordinary woman, less intelligent. She is the most, she has recognized Krishna, that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. Although he has come to me materially as my nephew to offer me respect, but he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore in the previous verse, she said, Alakshang sarvabhutana antarbhahi avasthita. You are not seen by ordinary man, although you are inside and outside. In another verse also, Na lakshase muradirisha. Fools and rascals cannot see you. That means Kunti sees him. Unless she sees Krishna as he is, how she can say, Muladisha, Narakshasi? And he says, Prakite para, you are transcendental to this material creation. So here also he continues her humbleness. This humbleness is very good in devotional service. Therefore Chaitanya, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches us, Tinadapi sunichena tarorapi sahisnuna. One should be tolerant than the trees and humbler than the grass to make progress in spiritual life. Because there will be so many disturbances. Because Maya, we are living just like if we are in the ocean. See, you cannot expect very peaceful situation in the ocean. It must be always what is called tilting. Even your big seat, it is also not very fixed up position. At any moment there may be tumultuous waves. So, in this material world, you should always expect danger. You cannot expect very peaceful life within this material. Padang jada vipadang. Shastra says, in every step there is danger. But if you become a devotee, then you escape. Mayamitang tarantit. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare